Across the earth, both big and small, 7 continents stand tall, each one special, bright and grand. Let's explore this wondrous land. Asia, vast and full of life, with mountains high and cities bright. Tigers roam, the rivers run, traditions shine beneath the sun. Africa, where the wild ones play, lions roar and zebras stay. The Nile flows long and deep, while deserts stretch and sunsets sleep. North America, forests tall, big blue lakes and waterfalls, from bustling cities to golden sands. Adventure waits in all its lands. South America, green and wide, where rainforests grow with pride. Mighty Andes touch the sky, parrots sing and eagles fly. Europe, castles old and grand, history shaped by careful hands. Art in music, tales untold, a land of stories new and old. Australia, warm and bright, kangaroos jump with delight. The ocean sparkles, reefs so grand, a sunny, golden coastal land. Antarctica, icy cold, where winds are fierce and storms unfold. Penguins waddle, glaciers gleam, a frozen land like in a dream. 7 continents side by side, across the world so far and wide. Each one special in its